Good morning, people. My Space Secrets here. It is Thursday, the 8th of April 2010. Welcome to today's show. First of all, I just want to thank all the people around the world for their kind messages and emails. If you're one of those people, thank you, thank you. I mean, we live just in a crazy world, obviously, and it's great to see that there's still, some nice, sane people around the world. So thank you to those people. Now, I was away for a few days, but I was emailed by a couple of our newsletter subscribers, and fortunately, we have had some hits on our February forecast. Of course, with the Chile earthquake, we were saying Haiti was a warning sign for bigger events to come in that area. And then we had the Chile earthquake, which was sad and devastating. And the other one I was reminded of yesterday was the price of gas, which back in February we were saying, look for price hikes coming up. Because, for me, one of the real gauges of the economy, if it's hurting or not, is with the prices of gas. And with the recent price going up dramatically, this is interesting. I mean, if you believe that the economy is fine with what's been happening, I mean, that's okay, but I just can't see evidence. I'm sorry, I'm just not buying into it. Yes, we still have the Europe crisis not being talked about. It's just gone away. We still have not heard about the commercial real estate crisis, which is, in a lot of trouble. I'm not going to go into it, but it is bad. Have lighter volume on the market, and I'm just not buying into it. An interesting day today because consumer credit, the real culprit today, and the Fed's comments today saying that the Fed will need to raise rates from zero at some point, which is crazy in itself where the rates are at the moment, but they need to raise them soon, and this is important. But credit confidence just crashed today, and in terms of credit card issuance, auto loans, etc., we're continuing to see mixed signals. But everyone is bullish on commodities and the market, and sometimes that is a bit of a warning sign. And I've got to say, today was actually fairly decent volume on the market. I've got to say to you guys that our iMafia software is picking up something here, something on the market, and I think, well, I will put the link in the description in the right hand side, but it's picking up something, and there could be a little bit of a shift coming. But for now, the S&P 500 has been up 21 of the last 27 days. Just simply amazing. And more interesting that the markets are still slow. The higher the market goes, the more risk I see that is built into this rally. Now, I'm not going to take it up now and say the markets are going to crash hard, but I was talking to a close friend of mine today, someone who has been on Wall Street for quite a long time and does know his stuff. And he was actually even around before and during the 87 crash. And he was actually saying to me, which was very interesting, that he has not seen anything like this. And the last time he did was right before the 87 crash. So, for me personally, I found that very interesting. But like I said, that's not what we're saying. But there is something going on here more than meets the eye. And things could change a little. I mean, with the Fed, they're forced to raise rates soon, and they just can't keep them low at zero. And on average, historically, when the Fed raises rates, it's almost always put pressure on the stock markets and other global equities. So the timing to all this is very unique and very interesting if you are a share trader or do know a little bit about the market. But April will be very interesting, and all of this is very interesting. But be smart and stay on your toes, and we will see what develops. If you want to check out our newsletter, you can go to www.forecastfortomorrow.com/newsletter. My Space Secrets here. Thank you for joining with me today. Please kindly rate and share this video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll talk with you all very soon. Until then, enjoy, take care, and have a fantastic day. Ciao.